Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1973 Plymouth Sports Satellite. Great car, guys. It's a Roadrunner tribute. Car's finished in the original Spinnaker white. It's got the black interior. It's got the vinyl and cloth. Good, solid Tennessee car, guys. It's got all your original body panels still on it. Car's got a great look. Car's lowered down a little bit. It's got the super cool set of 18-inch billet Magnum 500 wheels on it. It's got a Jasper 33 cubic inch crate engine in it. The receipts for that are in the trunk, as well as some of the restoration receipts. But good car. Disc brakes, 727 torqueflite automatic trans. Really just a pretty car. I really like the look of this car. It sits good, kind of down on the ground a little bit. Just got a real mean look to it. Little ding there in some of the trim. Looks like a lot of this stuff is original to the car. Car's only got 52,000 original miles. I believe it's got the original bumpers on it. Again, that is a factory white. It's got the going on it. Good straight car. It's got the original quarters. Love the wheel and tire package on it. You can see it's got the machine gun tips on the dual exhaust, original rear bumper. Love these wheels on this car. Got the front disc brakes. Dual sport mirrors. Again, Jasper 33 crate engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock Air Gap intake on it. Set of headers. You can see the aluminum radiator with the shroud. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Nice set of Mopar Performance valve covers. This is kind of cool. And the outside of this car has been painted, and then the top half here of the jam has been painted, but you can see in there that's actually the original paint. A lot of the jams in the trunk, that's all original. In fact, the bottom of the hood here is original paint. There's your fender tag. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. There's your original door tag. This is the original paint in here in the jams. bucket seats, console, Factory dash, 52,226 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket tach in it. Stock AM FM radio. It's got dual exhaust, 8 3/4 rear end, not a big gear, probably like a 323. It's got the rear sway bar, and again, in here, this is your original paint in this trunk. Again, you can see it's got the original quarters. So that's the original paint in this trunk. You'll see how solid this car is. Factory jack with a spare. Here's all your resto receipts and everything. The cam cards in there. Nice and clean underneath. Rear sway bar. Have Jay fired up. I'm gonna have to pick up the pace, Jay. My battery's dying here. Sorry, guys. Again, good running for 83, guys. Mount turn signal.
A little low on gas.
Low on gas too. Tach works. Look like your gauges are all working. We got, looks like backup lights working. We got one out. Radio works, blower motor.
Yep.
Does work, guys. Oh, wipers do work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.